I want to teach you how to accurately predict real estate values and trends in any market, anywhere in the world, using two very simple data points. I'm Anthony Delacandro. I've been a real estate broker for 30 years now. And truth be told, a little over 12 years ago, when we experienced an event around the world that came to be known as the Great Recession, it was about that time that I determined that I needed to pay much closer attention to some very important economic trends to be able to accurately understand and then convey and advise on what trends were happening to my clients in the real estate space. And so what I wanted to do is the most fundamental metric that I use to determine whether prices are going to go up, stay the same, or decline over the coming 12 months is a term that we refer to as absorption rate. And there are just two very simple data points. I want to teach you exactly how to calculate those data points. You can then take the same principle, apply it in any market, anywhere in the world, and determine where values are going to go over the next 12 months. So I'm going to share my screen here. Absorption rate. The two fundamental data points we are looking for are the number of sales that took place in a specific market in the immediate rolling 6 months. In this case, we have 313. And then the second metric that we need, the second data point that we need, is the current inventory in the same market. Right now, there are 69 active listings for sale. And just so you understand where we're referring to right now for the understanding and example purposes, I'm looking at Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey, zip code 08234. It is a rather large township in Atlantic County, New Jersey. And I use it as an example because we don't want to use too big of a broad market, because the market changes from town to town, zip code to zip code, property type to property type, as well as price range to price range. So I wanted to zero in, relatively big township, but zero in on one particular market and look at these numbers. So I'm going to share my previously recorded screen here, and we can see in Egg Harbor Township, we take the 313 sales that occurred in the immediate prior 6 months. And right now it is coming to the end of February 2022. We had 313 sales divided by 6, that is 52 sales that occur a month. So that's the average number of homes that are selling per month over the immediate prior 6 months. Then we take that number and we divide it by the current inventory, which is 69, and we end up with an absorption rate of 1.32 months supply. That is a blazing fast market. As we define seller's market, neutral market, buyer's market, anytime there are fewer than 5 months supply, we have a seller's market. The smaller that number, the stronger the seller's market it is. If you've seen some of my previous videos where I use the example of the tachometer to compare how that applied to an absorption rate, 1.3 month supply is similar to redlining. The market cannot move much faster, right? When we have 5 to 7 month supply, we have a relatively balanced market. We expect prices to maintain stability and to be stable. And when we have more than 7 months supply, we have a buyer's market, and we expect for the possibility that prices may decline. So hopefully that is helpful. Again, you can take the same principle. These data points are easy to uncover and apply them to any market anywhere in the country, and help you determine exactly where the market's headed. If you have any further questions or looking for specific data points in your market, please don't hesitate to reach out. This is episode number 1, by the way, of what they don't teach you in real estate school. So just a way to be more informed and a better advocate to your clients. Again, any questions, reach out. And if you are on YouTube, subscribe for similar videos on how-tos to become better in this business and be able to give a higher level of value to the clients you serve. Have a great night. I'll see you soon.